Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing the Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. Both of these cameras offer amazing features and capabilities, so let's dive right into the comparison. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Sony Alpha A6400 boasts a 24.2 MP sensor, providing crisp and natural colors. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 takes it a step further with its class-leading 40.2 MP X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, delivering outstanding results with exceptional detail. If you're looking for lightning-fast autofocus, the Sony Alpha A6400 won't disappoint. With its next-gen speed and real-time AF with object tracking, you can capture those fleeting moments with ease. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T5 offers reliable autofocus performance, ensuring that your subjects are always in focus. Both cameras have their own unique set of features that cater to different needs. The Sony Alpha A6400 stands out with its tiltable LCD screen, allowing for customizable angles perfect for vlogging or professional filming. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X series design with easily accessible dials for quick adjustments even when the camera is switched off. Let's talk about the price. The Sony Alpha A6400 comes in at an affordable $898, making it a great option for photographers on a budget. However, the Fujifilm X-T5 is priced at $2,199, reflecting its advanced features and exceptional image quality. Both cameras offer value for money in their respective price ranges. And that wraps up our comparison between the Sony Alpha A6400 and the Fujifilm X-T5. Both cameras have their strengths and are capable of producing stunning images. It ultimately comes down to your individual needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.